Hi. I just read the news that there will be an event held in Ghent in 13th of May 2011.
Yes. Some students from Indonesian Student Association are planning to have a big show.
So, there will be performance from them?
Indeed. You can experience the richness of Indonesian culture through beautiful traditional dances.
What else?
Indonesian traditional music show including the Balinese gamelan and the unique angklung music instrument workshop, Indonesian cultural and tourism short movies, and many more.
And?
You can also get yourself photographed in Indonesian traditional dresses and enjoy all the great Indonesian foods.
Any door prizes?
If you enjoy taking pictures during our event, submit your picture, have your chance to win a prize. So mark in your agenda, be there, be entertained and be amazed.